Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Lowa local and long-distance movers near me. Our moving firm has expertise in handling long-distance shifts and have handled thousands of shifts in past 20 years. Our movers are trained in handling all types of products and utilize specialized tools to prevent any damage or wear and tear for long distance. Our firm additionally provides insurance, so the damages are covered by us. We have a qualified team of movers that can help navigate your shifts and make sure to provide easy shifting experience. So, if your move requires you to relocate within 50-kilometer radius, then it will be considered a long-distance move. All the legal formalities will be taken care of by our experts. For local moving, it's always a best idea to hire a professional mover, i.e., 3 movers, as we provide same-day shifting for local moves and make sure to cater all the requirement that has been made during the transit. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Lowa moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.